Welcome to chemistry class. The question is, which functional group is not present in the given following compound? And you have four options: ketone, ether, amide, and ester. You have 30 seconds to think over it and write the answer in the comment section. Okay, so now let me help you to find out the correct choice. Okay, as you can see, this is a ketone functional group. This is an amide functional group, right? And this is an ester group. So what till now we have find out? Ketone, amide, and ester. So what is the correct answer? Ether. Ether is the functional group which is not present in the given following compound. To learn chemistry faster, visit, like, share, and subscribe Chemistry Class.